Please stand up and give a spin. You do chase or what? Spin? Ay, but my tummy is here. That's all what I'm doing. Hello, Davis. Hello, how are you? I'm coming the first October. Yes, they come to Philippines. Hi, Ferguson. Hi. Hi, Muhammad Lokam. Show yourself, baby. Okay. What, whatever that you do is working. Yeah, but not so much, too much diet. I go for workout sometimes. I go for jog. I go for walking. I go for Zumba dance. And I'm fine, girls debut. We go to October 1st week. We come in Philippines. We come in my, you can visit me here. And I will go wherever I go. I will be your company, but together with my son. I hope we can see you when I have. Yes, but in your own expense because I don't have money to travel anywhere. I hope life keeps treating you well. Yeah, it's possible to see you for a few days. Why a few days? 1 week for you come here to my place in Dipolog City. Dipolog City is a very nice place, a very safe place, and no traffic. Wesley Peru. Hi. Hello everyone. Yes, for 1 week. Only 1 week you come in Philippines? Why? I thought you already stay here for 1 month. 1 month in Philippines. 1 week then go back to your place. Pay? Are you? No. Yeah. And Philippines, I'm in Mindanao. In Dapitan City, Dipolog. Once again,